is Bernd Schüssler, Global Account Manager at Pepperl+Fuchs in the Rockwell Automation Technology Partner Program. For over 20 years, Rockwell Automation and Pepperl+Fuchs partner together to deliver reliable explosion protection solutions and technologies for our mutual process automation customers. We address the critical need to provide hazardous area interface solutions between the plant floor and Rockwell Automation's control systems architecture. Our market-leading solutions range from intrinsic safety barriers, remote I/O and purge systems, to hazardous area HMI and mobility devices such as smartphones and tablets. We are better together. By combining our expertise in explosion protection and Rockwell Automation's focus on enabling smart manufacturing and the connected enterprise, thus helping customers on their digital transformation journey to become more productive and sustainable. For more information, please visit us on the Partner Locator site. Thank you.